Hello guys, I already received my grow kit. I will unbox and I will assemble in this place, and I will put it here because this is the place a bit warm because of the afternoon sun. It's also closer to my home office. So yeah, so I will show you how to install and operate this grow kit. So this is the LED. Put it back. So what's inside? I got the fan. So I got the timer. So I got the thermometer and humidity. Ventilation setup. Thank you for your support. This is the main, this is the tent itself. Yeah, it's done. It's finished. It's an LED, and then I can dim. Actually, the plant is just taking the blue and red light, or the spectrum, the red and blue spectrum. So I don't have the duct, so I cannot so I cannot run the blower or exhaust. So it's coming soon. So that's where I will put the the plants, and then I can lower the light. I can lower it. So now I have this thermometer. I have the humidity. The light will not leak outside. So you will see it's sealed, but actually there's a window here you can open, and you can see the light inside. It's quite good, huh? It's sealed. So if you close it, you will not see any light. That's all. Thank you for watching.